From 327 submitted entries, our esteemed panel of screeners and judges will screen, verify, and select 21 mompreneurs as nominees in 7 categories for a chance to win over 1 million pesos worth of prizes. My name is Mami Salve and I am here to tell you more about the first annual Gawad Madiskarte 2022. So give this video a like, share this video, and subscribe to the Madiskarte Moms PH YouTube channel. And just go to the Madiskarte Moms PH on Facebook so you can also join in our activities such as the annual Gawad Madiskarte. The Madiskarte Moms PH group has grown to more than 97,000 mompreneur members in just over 1 year. And that alone is worth celebrating, friends! At dahil kayo mga mompreneurs ang queens of diskarte, lalo na during the pandemic, this is also the time to celebrate your hard-earned success. And we will do that through the first ever annual Gawad Madiskarte 2022.
Gawad Madiskarte is Madiskarte Moms PH Community's annual awards to recognize our members' hard work and to help them grow their businesses even further. Powered by PLDT Home Biz, this tribute to the Filipino entrepreneurial spirit celebrates successful local business owners who inspire others to pursue their business dreams. Innovate, create, inspire. The 2022 Gawad Madiskarte, pagkilala sa tagumpay ng madiskarteng Pinay.
The Gawad Madiskarte will be held on March 8, 2022, which coincides with the International Women's Day. What a fitting celebration as we honor mompreneurs who encourage and inspire other moms to pursue their businesses, and they all want their fellow moms to succeed. Women empowerment is strong at the Madiskarte Moms PH community. So for the awards, magkakaroon tayo ng 2 main divisions with 3 categories each. First, we have the Startup Division. This is for our mompreneurs who have recently started their side hustle and whose business shows great potential for success. To qualify for this, our mompreneur member should have been running her side hustle for at least 6 months. Narito ang mga categories for the Startup Division.
Diskarteng solid. For the mompreneur who developed a strong startup business model that reflects her vision, gives exceptional customer value, and ensures profit and growth. Diskarteng malikhain. For the mompreneur who sparks interest of the market with her fresh and unique ideas or products. And diskarteng eco-friendly. For the mompreneur who goes the extra mile for social responsibility and care for the environment.
Oh, mga mommies! Pasok ba yung business ninyo dun sa Startup Division? Or baka naman, pwede na kayo dun sa Scale-Up Division. This is for more experienced mompreneurs who have grown their businesses and have driven them beyond success. To qualify for this division, dapat their businesses have been running for at least 13 months. Ito naman ang mga categories for the Scale-Up Division.
Diskarteng angat. For the mompreneur who achieved exceptional growth with her strong vision and strategy. Diskarteng digital. For the mompreneur who harnesses the benefits of digital advancement via a multi-channel approach. And diskarteng may puso. For the mompreneur whose goal is to give back and enrich her community through her business.
And last but not the least, we have the Diskarteng Home Biz. This category is for the mompreneur who recently started a business na sa tingin ng ibang mompreneur members ay may big potential for success. Meaning, in this category, kayong mga mompreneurs ang pipili kung sino ang mananalo. So, you can also call this category the Mompreneur's Choice. At ito pa ang good news for you mompreneurs. Aside from the prestige, the recognition, and a handsome trophy made by famed sculptor Mr. Glenn Kagandahan. Awardees of each category will receive these amazing prizes to help you grow your side hustles and businesses further.
As we recognize mompreneurs who innovate, create, and inspire, the 2022 Gawad Madiskarte also gives our awardees these amazing prizes. A brand new laptop to equip you to level up your diskarte. 1-year PLDT Home Biz Plan 2099 for complete online business solutions to help you grow your home business. And a cash prize of 100,000 pesos. The first ever Gawad Madiskarte Annual Awards, pagkilala sa tagumpay ng Madiskarteng Pinay. Powered by PLDT Home Biz.
So, sino-sino nga ba ang mga nominated for these 7 categories? Malalaman natin yan soon. So if you want to get the latest updates regarding the Gawad Madiskarte, you know the drill. Click on the notification bell and syempre, dapat subscribe na rin kayo sa Madiskarte Moms PH YouTube channel. And of course, sali na rin kayo sa ating community of mompreneurs at Madiskarte Moms PH on Facebook. I am Mommy Salva Duplito, wishing our Madiskarte moms all the best for the first ever annual Gawad Madiskarte 2022.